Watch. Well, you don't know the world, it's not a plan, a franchise, a choosing one, a 10-star general. Watch. I hear me I say, you don't know anytime I come forward, I bring nothing about the truth. You hear that? I'm some boy if you know say in a dance hall, we always we keep it hardcore. We not stay like some man. We come on the net for fancy up, nothing and pretty up, nothing for getting a farm of viewers. We come with nothing but straight truth, you see me? That's how we deal with it, and a hardcore style we deal with it, you know what I mean? Because dance hall a hardcore thing. Yeah, and me I tell you, so I come on the neck for make the man them know. I big up the Rasclad promoter for Sumfest. That this is entertain the fucking international night at Sumfest. It was a real success. I'm a big up all international artists who perform the night there. You know what I mean? The man them get the best out of the crowd, the international performance. It was wonderful. It was a beautiful sight to see, you know what I mean? All artists were worth me attack, you know what I mean? And special, it's special. The special Rasclad treatment go on when Jackie or Rasclad call up Phantom on the show. That was really a Rasclad classical thing, you know what I mean? I like the show and I like the performance of the man them. The thing shell way, hotter than we held there. Yeah, but you see dance all night now, me already tell the man them already before, say Tommy Lee I go take dance all night. And it never matter if I even up on the gully side Sumfest did keep. Him still would have take dance all night, you know what I mean? And I wish part it keep why him take that. You know what I mean? Because I tell you now already, if you now watch the performance, the man action, him body language, the way the man a rip off him tune them, and the fucking image we him have is a whole package, everything combined together. And let me tell you something, when I hear time and God did the fear, no man can't stop that because you don't see it. Everything where blood clot family go through, all the fight and the struggle and everything where him go through with the police them, latch scam, locking off a state show, take them papers them that him can't fly out of the country, all of them shit. All of them things that what them do to the man dog. And one thing Tamale do, the man leave blood clot Moby and come to Kingston because sometimes when you foot up on rocky grounds, you have to come off a shaky grounds and go up on solid ground that you know drop down, you know. And the man leave blood clot Moby and come to Kingston. And you see from the man come to Kingston, everything him put him on ton goal. Everything shot. Everything. First thing happen, the first thing the man he off a pay him for blood clot disrespect him. That are the first thing happen. Right now, him tune them. Get classical, lyrics like fuckery night. Him have melody naturally. Him no need no auto-tune, no auto-voice. Him tough. You hear me? Remember when Tommy Lee run off the place wicked, you know? And the first thing when him forgot up and sting as the big artist and shell it down. You remember Ninja Man I tell him, say, yo Tommy Lee, you need some lyrics in the belly of your song them. Nobody can say that blood clot now. Listen him good. Watch where I'm you know I'm out here down blood clots on Fest flat. I watch every show where I'm do outside of the country. And so come by them idea. That's how I know a 4-man I run the entertainment thing wicked. I not talk about the general artists them who done they were established big time already, you know. I talk you like Dexter Dog. I talk you like Popcorn, Tommy Lee, Idona, them a shell out show flat everywhere them go overseas. And people for know that, you know what I mean? I see me love how I do and I'm kind of flip the shit right now. Right now I'm interact with the crowd and I'm enjoy himself on the stage. And the people them enjoy and love him delivery. You see what I say? But I youth them name Tommy Lee, I don't tell you when God there they feel you, no man can't stop that. A film time. You can't stop the youth and don't everybody try to fight against that. Because the worst thing Alkaline could I do, I call the man name. Already I give himself a nice okay performance until him call the man name. When you call a man name, you know, Pandora's clock in the boxing ring, you know. When you leave the ring, you have to dip on the ground, knock out, you know, unconscious and you know where I'm there, you know. You call the man name and say, Yami Lee, I see you on the backstage. And you know, rise up, be a gun lyrics for him and gun tune, wicked, and you know, do them shit there. When Tommy Lee come on the stage, I can bet you, I watch the thing live, I watch it over and over and over. All now the man do 1 inch of a no song where I'm sing. I just be a bullet the man a spray. The man a take him man off of the blood clot chigga until him left the stage. And when him a leave the stage, him say big up my uncle Beanie Man. You know what I mean? Because I don't know if you remember last year when them ban him from off of the show, Beanie Man call him up on it. And that's why the man a say big up Beanie Man. You sure me a deal with them uncle. You me love it, you know, dog. And Tommy Lee, let me tell you something, you know. Don't make no girl nor no boy or no pussy hole come get you off of the vibes where you're on right now, you know. Because your name out of all bad calling thing, you know, dog. A be a good people talk about you, you know, you. So just go and stamp your name in a dancehall industry, you know, that mean your legacy can nice, you know, youth. And look more from these people can look by you as the type of person who you really is, you know, youth. You know what I mean? And set the trend on the road, Magli, you know. I mean, I say the same thing for Gates. I like the thing them when I see her come up with, you know, youth. Don't stop, you know, keep it up, you know, dog. Is what I deal with. Because enough man don't know, you know, dog. Enough man don't know, you know. Life are the greatest thing to any living person, but after life are knowledge, you know. And I say you gain a whole heap since then, you know, you. Is what I deal with. I have to know, you know. Excellent, you know. It's not a perfection, but it's a habit. So go and keep up the habit the way you have youth, you're going to get perfect at it. I love the way you write song and I love the way you deliver right now. That's what I deal with. I don't stay like enough boy who come on the net for chat fuck and chat this and chat that for get no fucking hype, you know. Because you know we're born hype. You know what I mean? And I don't tell you that. We don't even need that shit. Because we're born that way there, you hear that. And for me, see me, I don't know who I talk and a lollipop thing. You hear that? And I love the performance of the man. You hear how I go on. But I say next time Alkaline, when you come on the stage and you come for squeeze bullet off a man, I don't know if you never ask Movada for him tell you, because Movada tell them don't fuck around if you don't mean it. You see me? And Movada use the same look of thing there, and it kind of make Cartel get the better of him. Because Movada, you know, and Cartel clash as thing. And the same morning Cartel go do last man standing and Movada say nah do no more this song. And from that day until now Cartel take over the dancehall. From that day until now, Cartel take over dancehall. You can't war with no man and you want to fight him and war him a warrior. You want to fight him because you want to give him a look of boxing in his face or a thumping in his face and him want to kill you. You don't do that, dog. Don't fuck around if you don't mean it. If you not go full force, don't go none at all. You hear that? Because it will look away for you. You see what I deal with? Because Cartel never back down now. No. Cartel just rip through till him grab the top of the lead and him not let it go. You see me? And I see him thing Alkaline do him come and throw a look up punch line after Tamale and Tamale come empty the whole line, clip them on him and take the show. You see what I deal with? So I saw the thing go. So you hear what I go on? I say again, big respect up Tamale. I mean, big up 5-star General Bounty Killer for bring up Massacre and make him perform the way him did. And I see so the people them accept him delivery and him performance. So all the fucking the people them who fucking control the show supposed to say, well then the youth they really deserve him time on the show for two. You know what I mean? Because the people them accept the delivery and where him go on with. And Killer, I love how you work. It was really a classical performance, you know what I mean? I like it. A top thing. You hear me? I say big up the whole of the dancehall industry. You hear that? And you know when we come for talk, no fuck, we come for talk it as it is. I say Tamale and Gate. And go and keep up that shit that we not go on. We do not go on good youth. Don't make nobody broke on the energy nor strain on the thing. And the general, the 10-star one. You don't know me, I say blessed love, straight, shellings, crazy, mother me, watch, 21st, but